Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional resume or CV using Notion. If you're tired of struggling with formatting in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, this method is much easier and faster. Notion already provides beautiful templates, so you can focus more on your experience, skills, and achievements instead of spending hours adjusting layouts and spacing. Let's get started step by step. First, open Notion either in your browser or desktop application and log into your workspace. Once you're on the main page, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the menu option that gives you access to more features and templates. From there, select Browse Templates. This will open Notion's template gallery, where you can explore different ready-made designs for productivity, note-taking, project management, and much more. For this tutorial, head directly to the search bar and type Resume or CV. Notion will instantly display several professional resume templates. Take your time reviewing the options because each template has a slightly different style. Some designs are simple and minimal, while others include more color and creative layouts. Choose the one that best matches your personality and the type of job you're applying for. Once you find the template you like, click on it and press the Add button. Notion will automatically create a new page in your workspace with the resume structure already prepared for you. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Notion. You don't need to build the design from scratch because the formatting, headings, and layout are already organized professionally. Now it's time to personalize your resume. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your own information. Add your full name, contact details, email address, phone number, and professional summary. Your summary should briefly explain who you are, your experience, and what value you can bring to an employer. Next, move on to your work experience section. Add your previous jobs, internships, freelance work, or volunteer experience. Include job titles, company names, and dates clearly. Under each role, describe your responsibilities and achievements using short and professional bullet points. After that, fill in your education details, certifications, and skills. You can also include languages, software knowledge, leadership experience, or any technical skills relevant to your field. One great feature in Notion is customization. You can add links to your portfolio, LinkedIn profile, personal website, or social media accounts. You can even embed images or files if needed. This makes your resume more interactive and modern compared to traditional documents. Don't forget to update the profile picture if your template includes one. Simply click the default image and upload a professional photo of yourself. A clean and friendly picture can help make your resume more personal and memorable. Before finishing, carefully review everything. Check for spelling mistakes, incorrect dates, or missing information. Make sure your formatting looks clean and consistent throughout the page. Small details can make a huge difference when applying for jobs. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a professional and personalized resume using Notion without dealing with complicated formatting tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with anyone who wants to build a modern resume quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job applications and future interviews.